This video walks you through how to set up auto conversion in Wise. Start by logging into your Wise account. Once you are signed in, go to the balance you want to convert from. This should be the balance that currently holds the money you plan to use for the conversion. So make sure you open the correct one before you continue. With that balance open, click Move. This opens the set of actions available for that balance. From there, select Convert Currencies to begin setting up the conversion. On the conversion screen, choose the currency you want to convert from, and then choose the currency you want to convert to. Check both currency selections carefully so the conversion is set up in the right direction. After that, enter the amount you want to convert. This is the amount Wise will monitor for the automatic conversion based on the rate you set. By default, you may see the option set to move the money right away. Next to Move Now, click Change. This opens other ways to handle the conversion instead of processing it immediately. From the available options, select Schedule by Rate. You will now be asked to enter your target exchange rate. This is the rate that will trigger the conversion automatically. Type in the target rate you want Wise to watch for. Once that rate is entered, click Confirm Rate. After confirming the rate, review the auto conversion details on screen. This is where you check the source currency, the destination currency, the amount, and the target exchange rate. If everything matches what you intend to set up, create the auto conversion. Once it is created, Wise will monitor the exchange rate for you. Your money will be converted automatically when your target exchange rate is reached. Depending on market movement, this may happen later rather than right away, so the scheduled conversion will remain in place until that rate is met according to the details you confirmed. If you are following along on your own account, the main thing to verify before finishing is that the selected balance, the amount, and the target rate all reflect the conversion you want. That final review helps avoid setting the conversion on the wrong balance or with the wrong rate. After the auto conversion has been created, there is nothing else you need to do in this setup flow. Wise will handle the conversion automatically once the market reaches the target exchange rate you entered and confirmed. Your Wise auto conversion is now set to convert your selected balance automatically when your target exchange rate is reached.